2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.